Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is June 22nd, 2020. Here to update you all on Bitcoin Cash. We're going to show you what the market trader has done since our last video, which was done on May the 18th, 2020. We're going to take out the performance of our forecast and see, did he actually hit our expectations? And then we're going to update you all on the next phase of where the trapper is trying to take Bitcoin Cash. So if this is your first time watching our video, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, because we're one of the only organizations, locations to where you're getting a heads up as to where the market's anticipated to go before it actually gets there. All right, so make sure you subscribe, like and share. Join us on our own website, join the community there at HueFinancial.com if you guys want to see more of our forecasts and predictions paired against Bitcoin. All right, so let's check this out right here. So zooming in real quick, I told you all we did our video in Bitcoin Cash on May the 18th, 2020, with the expectation to see the market move higher. We had our TP at 260 for Bitcoin Cash, and next area is going to be around 280 for our next area of restriction. You guys can tell right there on June the 2nd is when the market in Bitcoin Cash came and tagged that 260 area. So we took a little bit off, around 5.06%. Very good to see that profitability come through in the market for Bitcoin Cash on our analysis. Now, the question that we're going to try to answer today is whether or not Bitcoin Cash is going to make it all the way up there towards $280. But nevertheless, 5.06% was completed. And when I zoom out, nothing has really occurred into the market for Bitcoin Cash rather than it trading within this channel. That's it. Nothing else has occurred into this market. We have 280 for restriction, all the way back down towards $200 for support. That's it. We've been trading in that channel starting all the way since March the 19th, 2020. Okay, so when you look at Bitcoin Cash on a weekly time frame, you guys can still see here a little bit better that the market is really just holding consolidational trading. This market in Bitcoin Cash still looks to move higher so long as it trades above 220, period. I'm telling you that right now. As long as the market trades above $220, this coin will move higher in price. Bitcoin Cash on the monthly time frame, kind of still see a lot of weakness there too though. Okay, that's why I want to emphasize to you that 220 is going to be crucial in the market for Bitcoin Cash to maintain support. If the trap breaks that 220 to the downside, you already know, I'm giving you a heads up right now, the market is weak and it's going to come all the way back down to $200 or so. Hourly time frame for Bitcoin Cash, you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart that the market is still very relentless into seeing lower price, and you can tell already that the market is holding 220. Okay, so the market still looks pretty good in the sense of seeing higher price movement, but I'm not stating that we're looking for a moonshot higher. Okay, you guys got to get a grasp of that. We're just simply stating that the strength is here still into the market for Bitcoin Cash, only about 240 to 260 now. Okay, we on our previous forecast, we looked for the market to try to tag 280. Well, now we're looking at the market to probably try to tag 260 or maybe around $250. Okay, unless we see a lot of volume come through the market that breaks these areas of restriction, 280 is not even close to being considered just yet. But we're still going to play the strength into the market in Bitcoin Cash from where we are right now. And I'm going to grab that support around $220 per share. Per coin, 220 for support. And we're going to do that 260 ultimately for restriction. So it's still like another 10% market move in Bitcoin Cash. And I want to show you this too, is that we'll skin off a little bit right here around 240. Because that area is going to be used for restriction as well. So that's a small 2% profitability market move in this space for Bitcoin Cash. But let me re-emphasize once again, 220 is crucial. If we break 220 on the downside on weakness, this forecast that I got going on right now for Bitcoin Cash will not be valid and it will be void. Okay, that 220 is where we need to focus in the market for Bitcoin Cash to continue to see market strength. Okay, so we're going to continue to play this out into the market. We're going to play the market strength in Bitcoin Cash and let the market do what it do, and we'll come back in and update you all and see how the market has traded since this video. Questions, comments, as always, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll talk to y'all later.